remember the day one at the IIJS in 2004. How we booked the stall and the making of that stall and exhibiting for the first time in that IIJS Godrej. And we were a small player that time. We had a very small market. We were just getting to the Mumbai jeweler, and but from that day till 2024, we have expanded. We have clients all over India. We have client overseas, Dubai, Singapore, US, and it's been great in the part of the IIJS. The business has grown, the team has grown, the whole thing has become big for us. And this is the 20th year in IIJS. And this year we are doing every year we come up with a collection, but this year doing some special collection for bridals and taking up a theme of something related to India. I will not disclose now, but will surely come up in some coming days. And we're also doing a lightweight collection because as for the next gen, they like the lightweight. They want very contemporary kind of products. So we are working on that. My son is a NIF graduate. He graduated from the NIF Gandhinagar, which the campus which specializes in jewelry, and he's the creative head for Vasupati from last 3 years. As the convener of the IIJS, past convener of the IIJS, the whole team, the past conveners have worked hard to make the IIJS. Now this year we have 3,500 booths, 2,000 companies. The buyers will come from 1,200 cities across India, 80 countries buyers, jewelry buyers from across the globe will be India for the IIJ. This year, this is the biggest show. I think one of the second largest show of the world. I think I'll urge all my friends in the industry to be the part of the IIJS. Showcase your product. We'll get all new clients. Thank you.